Hi, I'm Dr. Kellsie Busho. I'm an audiologist, mom of two, and director of clinical programs for Audiology. My mission is helping families create safe listening habits that last a lifetime. A common question I get is, what is safe sound? How do you explain it? One thing I really like to make sure families are aware of is our daily dose. Let's think of it like a budget. We have a set amount each month, each day that we can afford to spend. The same is true for our ears. The louder the sound, the less time. In real life, this translates to, oh, I'm going to a basketball game this evening. I know the band is going to be there. They're going to turn the music up. It's going to be loud. Maybe instead of the snowblower this morning, I take out my shovel. My kids are at a loud birthday party, and on the drive home, maybe we just turn the radio off and we just talk. Sound is a part of our culture. It connects us. It makes us feel excited. This isn't about silent. It's about being aware of the choices that we make to better protect our long-term hearing health.